Hi guys, I am the BISH. Sorry I couldn't upload my video that I said I will upload yesterday because I had some work to do. Okay, now let's get on with it. Now today we'll be doing how to create an account. I have created a new Gmail so that we can continue. Okay, now first we go to the website zoom.us. Next we come right here. Sign up, it's free. Next, you put your month. Sorry. I just put this so I can get the full Zoom account. Ooh, my internet went off. Okay, it's good now. Okay, now I'll put my email address. Sign up. Okay, now we have to open my Gmail. So I'm going here and then I'm going to open my Gmail. Okay, now I have received the Zoom email and now I will activate my account. Okay. Sorry. Then you put what you have to put in. Okay, so I'll just put a quick password. Okay, now we press continue. We don't need to, if you want to invite colleagues, then you can put it right here. Now we have to do reCAPTCHA. Go to my account. Alright, so I have account right now and here it is. Here is my account. I have successfully signed into Zoom account. Thank you for watching guys. I have more videos before. I have one video that is how to install Zoom. Please watch that and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell. The BISH is signing out.